Why is it so difficult for any candidate to present their results and their certificate from primary school to university and like they claim they have it? Why is it so difficult? Why is it that we've had candidates that the result they presented many years ago, the school they listed many years ago, is no more commensurate with today? Why is it so difficult? And these people want to lead other people, and these people claim they did well in school. Why is it so difficult for them to present any legal paper that shows their history in another country of the world as a personal dedication to the Nigerian people they want to lead? Why is it so difficult? It's not about the results, it's not about the certificate, it's about the honesty to present it forward. That's what we are asking here. Why is it so deep? Because see, that is more critical than any national debate on subsidy or anything you want to have. If somebody that want to lead a nation can't present his past, his history without a prompting, he goes to court to defend the releasing of his past and history. And we say we have a country. What kind of country do we have there? We don't have a country, we have a joke. Why is it difficult, sir?
There is nowhere in the Constitution of Nigeria, Section 318, the interpretation section of Section 131, says that the President of Nigeria or anybody else, you don't need to have more than school set or its equivalent. What the Constitution asks for is a substantive evidence that you even tried to go to school. It does not ask for documentary evidence. If the president, APC candidate, says, okay, I have a degree, there's nowhere in the Constitution where he is compelled to provide primary school evidence or secondary school evidence. So how do you go around that? People say we must see the documentary evidence. The Constitution does not ask for documentary evidence. Can we import into the Constitution what it does not ask for?
Is there any place that somebody that presented a document in 1999 can change the document in 2026?
Very briefly, sir.
Is there any way that the Constitution says that, sir?
Very briefly, sir.
The Constitution is supreme.
1999 document, he changed it today.
All right, let's allow Professor Baba answer the question.
Answer
Professor, please, very briefly, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, no, the certificate is not as important as the story itself. It has to be straight, it has to be consistent. If it is not, there is a problem.
Thank you.